Hi, in this video we are going to discuss what IDE to use, what integrated development environment, and we are going to download the Python compiler. So let's get started. The best approach would be to install Linux Ubuntu, but because all the research institutes and investment banks use Linux as an operating system, and at the beginning it's not quite user-friendly. But if you have a good grasp and after half a year it is much more convenient because all the compilers are included, for example C++. It's much more easier to install softwares, it's much more easier to plot functions and whatever you want. But here in this video course we are going to work on Windows, or as far as I am concerned, and we are going to use the LiClipse as an integrated development environment. It's very user friendly, so you just have to download the LiClipse by BrainY, something like this. You just have to get it for the current operating systems you have, 32 or 44, 64 bits, it is up to you, and you just have to install it. It's quite easy. And on the other hand, you are definitely need a Python compiler, and you just have to Python compiler. No, okay. And this is the python.org. Python.org, you just have to I think it's going to be on the front page. Download Python 3.4.3 or whatever you prefer, and you have to install it on your operating systems. And after you have installed both of them, you have to set the preferences, because you have to set the compiler to the path or in the path of the LiClipse. So you have to open the preferences window. You have to go to the PyDev and Python interpreter, and you have to create a new interpreter with the preferred name, whatever you prefer. It's going to be the name of your interpreter. So you should use something like Python compiler or interpreter. It's not a compiler, it's an interpreter. Because I have already got one, so I'm not going to create it. I just show you how to do it. And you go to the place, I mean in the file system where you have installed your Python, with which we have downloaded from here, and you just have to set the python.exe, so the application, you just have to set it to there. And you have to click OK. An interpreter is already configured, and that's why I'm not going to follow this step. But basically that's all about setting up the IDE and installing the Python interpreter. So I hope you are going to be fine, and in the next video we are going to start implementing our algorithms and problems. Thanks for watching.